Make sure everybody's awake in the stream. Wake up. All right. So, I don't know if I want to use this for him. Because I'm not gonna... I don't think I'm gonna use the weapons for my custom build. I want to do something different. So, I don't know. We'll see. I might just have... I kind of want him just to have a one big weapon. Because the kit by itself is so beautiful. It doesn't... Like, I feel like the guns is distracting. Like, I just want to show the kit off with a big super weapon. So I might go with this bad boy. Because this thing is pretty... This kit's pretty crazy. Oops. I don't have the book in there. I took it out already. But yeah, I might go with this one. Or... I've been having this bad boy it's just been chilling in my backlog. If I want to use these puppies, these things look good. I mean, look how big that is. Like, yeah, I think he'll look pretty badass with this. I don't know. We will have to see. I even have the masking, the pre-masking for this. Man, I'm ready. Woo! Because these swords combine too. Look at that. Oh, that looks so dope. Or maybe do I make him like one big sword? Maybe I'll make him like a big sword. That'd be kind of cool. No? So there's so many different possibilities, man. I don't know. Or I was even thinking I could take this. I might give all my ideas away. Or I could maybe take this and make like a bow and arrow. That'd be like a good looking bow and arrow like that. Ooh, yeah, I can make that a bow and arrow. Put the string. Oh, I don't know, man. Trying to be different. You got to think outside the box. If you really want your kits to stand out, you got to use style. It's the only way. Style, style, style. And I want to know if I should add this for a backpack. Because he has a backpack, but it's nothing... It's nothing like to go, you know. Now you can see it right here. Let's get a color photo of it. No color of it. No color. No. But yeah, so I might I might do that. Might look pretty cool like that. Take off this backpack. Or what I'll do is I'll kit bash these two together. Then maybe kit bash the cannons onto here. The Gatling guns. Instead of him having on his hand. Because the thing too with Gundams, man, they can't hold crap, man. Like, it's better just to have one thing to hold. Because it has two things. It's going to just be a headache for setup. So it's best just to just have one big weapon. That's just me. But yeah, man. Maybe put this onto the backpack. Maybe replace the barrels. Put put boosters. I don't know, man. There's so much you can do. There's so much. Or what I could do is I have heavy arms. I might just take these off and add to my heavy arms. Where's my heavy arms? Never mind. I have it packed away for the competition. But yeah, I might just put use it for my heavy arms. I don't know. What color did I get? So I got the red backpack. I don't know, man. I really like how this looks. Nuclear power. Oh, that's not it. Oh, man. Yo, what's up, Elvis? Hey, Sama, what kit are you working on? Oh, I just dropped the thing. Nah, I'm over trying to bend over. Yeah. All right, sorry, guys. Let's get back to work. Get the shoulder done.
Yo, thanks for checking out the channel. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell. If you could, share the video, help the channel out a lot. Always remember, style's everything. Peace.